Welcome guys, welcome to the TILR of the day. So in this session we are going to discuss a radar chart. Precisely this is a set. Pause the video right now and try to solve the set. At least read the set. Okay. I hope you have paused it, read the questions, understood what is going on. So let me begin by solving it. Alright, so what it says is Gautam was planning to purchase a gaming console and he decided to purchase one among PlayStation, Minibox, Nintendo Wii and Sega Genesis. He compared the 4 gaming consoles on 5 parameters, that is graphics, price, resolution, FPS boost and remote play, and rated the consoles on each of the parameters on a scale of 0 to 5. Further, he planned to calculate the overall rating for each of the consoles in a following manner. So there's a formula given. Overall rating is given as sum of the 5 ratings. What are all the 5 ratings? The graphics one, the price one, the resolution, the FPS and the remote one. Upon the difference between the highest and the lowest rating. That means highest for graphics maybe highest for graphics and maybe lowest in some console is in FPS or in resolution. So difference between the highest and the lowest. He then decided to purchase the console with the highest overall rating. Okay. He plotted a chart. This is a radar chart, also termed as a spider web chart. He plotted this chart, which is given below, based on his ratings on each parameters, but he deleted the legend of the chart by mistake. Legend basically means the table or anything which makes the chart, readable. However, he knows the following information about the ratings. Pegagen's overall rating is not good. So basically, once you make the legend for him, only then you will be able to use them. Okay, so can we make a legend out of the radar chart? Yes, we can. And precisely we will have to. Otherwise, we will not be able to calculate the values as such. And once we calculate that, and then we will be able to use the information that is given to us in these points. So let us read the points at least. Pegagen's overall rating is not more than that of Nintendo Wii's, number 1. Number 2 is the average of the lowest and the second lowest rating on any parameter is same for both Mixbox and Nintendo Wii. Okay, so we'll work this out. So here I have prepared a table. Okay, so what I'll do here is, before I do anything else, I'll just explain what this is. So this is a radar chart. Okay, इसको read कैसे करोगे? सबसे पहली बात तो यह होती है कि you will start with a point. So these are the consoles, number 1, number 2, number 3. So remember there were 4 consoles. Okay, PlayStation, Mixbox, Pegagen, and the other one I think was Nintendo Wii. Okay, so मैंने क्या किया, मैंने ग्राफिक्स, प्राइस, रेजोल्यूशन, एफपीएस बूस्ट और रिमोट प्ले को आई हैव जस्ट एक ही ऑर्डर में मैंने लिख दिया और मैंने कंसोल्स को ऐसे लिखा. सो इट विल बी इजियर फॉर मी टू अंडरस्टैंड कि फॉर द फर्स्ट कंसोल व्हाट इज द रेटिंग फॉर ग्राफिक and price and resolution and so on. Okay, this table is a very important. Basically, if you can understand what you are going to write in this table, only then you will be able to crack the set. Okay, you can make any number of tables. So I am not saying that this is the only form of table that you will see. So anybody with any form of understanding can prepare any kind of table. I happen to make this table. Okay, so let me start with, I don't know what is PlayStation, what is Pega, Gen, anything. So I'll just start with the first one. I'll just follow the blue line and then I'll follow the yellow line, the red one and the grayish line, and I'll try to plot it. So for graphic, what I can basically see is that graphic is at 5. How can I say that? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I hope this is clear. I hope this is 1. This is also written over here, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that way we will be plotting each and every thing. So you just have to see where does this blue line go from graphics to price. It goes to 1. So I'll write 1 over here. For resolution, you can see that again from 1 it goes all the way to 5. So I'll write a 5 over here. Okay. And for FPS, you can see from 5 to FPS, when the blue line goes, this is basically 2. So I'll write 2 over here. And then the remote control. The remote control is nothing but, or rather the remote play is nothing but this one. Okay, so this is again 5. So this is again 5. Now, before going into adding the total or max min, or what I'll do is I'll just try to plug in all the values. So let me just do this quickly. So this is 4, this is 1 2 3 5, this is 2, this is 3. You can do that for yourself also. This is 1. Okay, this one is 4 4 4. Okay, I just a mistake. 4 4 4, and then this one is 5, this one is 1. I'm just following the lines, the red one, the yellow one, and the black one. So I'll plot for the black also. This is going to be 3, this is going to be 3, this is going to be 4, this is going to be 5, this is going to be 5, and this one is going to be 4. Let me just see once and for all, have I made any mistake? Okay, so 4 5 2 3 1, 4 5 2 3 1, 4 4 4, 4 5 1, 4 4 4 5 1, 3 3 4 5 and 4. Yeah, all the lines are connecting back to. Okay, so one important thing is, if you have to check whether your data is correct, you just follow the blue line or the red line or the yellow line. You just follow the line, just see if the line follows back to the original one. So that's what I am doing. While checking, I was just seeing that, okay, is the yellow line going back to the yellow one, is the red line going back to the yellow, rather the red one, the black one similarly, right? So now I'll total this one. So you see 5 5 5, so 15 plus 2 17 plus 1 18, so this is 18. Okay, max minus min. What is this? Max minus min is, you see, maximum value for the first console is 5, the minimum one is 1. So 5 minus 1 is basically 4. So I'll write a 4 over there. Similarly, I'll put 4 plus 2, 6 plus 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, that is 15. 15. Max minus min, max is 5, min is 1, so the max minus min property is going to be 4. Similarly, if I just do this on my own, this is 18, and the other one is going to be 19, right? So 9 4 8 6 10 5. Okay, so there are 9 7 10 and 9, so this one is 19. Okay, max minus min is 5 minus 1, that is 4, and for this one you get max minus min, that is 5 minus 3, which is 2. Alright, so the overall rating. The overall rating is nothing but, you'll just have to see, there was this formula given to us, right? This is the formula. The sum of the 5 rating by the difference of the highest by the highest and the lowest. So sum of all is 18 and the difference between max and min is 4. So what I'll do is I'll just plot this one, 18 by 4, right? So 18 by 4, okay, I can write this like this, 18 by 4, you can chop it out, you can write it like 9 by 2, so you will be basically left with a number which is 4.5, right? Because that's how it is going to be. And similarly, when you do 15 by 4, you will get a number, that number is going to be 3.75. 3.75. This is basically filling the tables. The next one is 18 by 4. 18 by 4 we have calculated 4.5, and the last one is 19 by 2, which is 2 9s 18, so 9.5. 9.5. Okay, so we have filled the table. Now what do we do? So now we will use now so far we do not know which of the consoles is which one is Pegagen, which one is Nintendo Wii, which one is what. So we will go to the two statements that were given to us. Okay, but before that, let me just so here you see, however, he knows the following information given. Pegagen overall rating is not more than the Nintendo Wii's. The average of the lowest and the second lowest rating on any parameter is the same for both Mixbox and Nintendo Wii. So basically what they are asking us to do over here is, they are asking us to, I have written it down. Just a second. So the lowest and the second lowest. So for the first one, what I can get is the lowest and the second lowest, that is 1 and 2, that is 3 by 2. Okay, so can I write it over somewhere? So can I write it over here? 3 by 2, that is I can write 1.5. Okay, 1.5. This is for the first one. Okay, again the lowest is 1, this is 2, that is 3 by 2 rather, 1.5, again 1.5. Okay, what is this? This is the average. And then the lowest and the second lowest is 1, second lowest is 4. So this doesn't really make any sense. Lowest is 3, second lowest is 4, again makes no sense. We were given that the average of the lowest and the second lowest, please read it over here, that lowest and the second lowest is the same for both Mixbox and Nintendo Wii. So what we can say over here is, either this is Mixbox, okay, either this is Mixbox, I'll just small it up here, either this is Mixbox or Nintendo Wii, or this is, or can I just change the colors? Okay, so let me just change the color. 1.5. Do not worry too much. These are the things which happens. It's a very normal thing. So this is Mixbox or Nintendo Wii, or this is Nintendo Wii or Mixbox. So now there are only two categories, that is Pegagen and Slaystation. Now for once I know that this is Slaystation. Okay, this is Slaystation for sure. And how do I know that? Because it is given in the first statement. I hope you have read the first statement. The first statement says Pegagen's overall rating is not more than Nintendo Wii's. So what I can see over here is, there are only 3 possibilities and Pegagen has to be this one. Okay, this one is Pegagen, because Pegagen cannot be more than 3.75 or 4.5. It can be equal to 4.5. Okay, but surely it is not going to be 9.5. So that is going to be Slaystation. So I can put Pegagen over here. Now the thing is, in the question itself, it is in the condition rather, it is given, in the condition it is given that Pegagen's overall rating is more than that of Nintendo Wii's. Okay, so just see this thing for yourselves. If you say that this is Nintendo Wii, if this is Nintendo Wii, the condition gets violated. This Pegagen is more than this. It's not possible. Okay, but it has to be more than Nintendo Wii, has to be this or this. But can it be this one? No. This one cannot be Nintendo Wii, because Pegagen cannot be more than Nintendo Wii. So I can say that this is not Pegagen, or rather Nintendo Wii, and this is not Mixbox. Okay, I hope this makes sense. So this is Pegagen, this is Slaystation, this is Nintendo Wii, and this is Mixbox. Okay, I hope this is clear. So let us proceed to the next slide. I I've written everything down. So this is how it looks. Pretty. I've just solved it in the first time, and I took a picture of this. So this is your Bentendo V, this is your Mixbox, this is your Pegagen, and this is your Slay Station. I hope this is clear. By this point, I think we are able to now solve the questions. So the first question basically says select the correct alternative from the given choices. Which of the following console would Gautam purchase? So Gautam will for sure purchase Slay Station because Slay Station has the highest overall rating. We know that. That is good one. Previous one. The next question is which of the select the correct alternative from the given choices. What was the overall rating for Bentendo V? Okay, so the overall rating for Bentendo V is 4.5. Bentendo V is 4.5. Okay, so we will tick this. This was an easy one. Select the correct alternative from the given choices. What is the difference between the rating that Slay Station and Mixbox received in Remote Play? Okay, so again you will have to go to the chart. So the question said, what is the difference between the ratings of Slay Station and Mixbox in Remote Play? Remote Play Slay Station and Mixbox in Remote Play, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay. And the last one is select the correct alternative from the given choices. What is the sum of the ratings of Pegagens in Remote Play, Slay Station in FPS, and Mixbox in Resolution? So let us again go back to this one. So Pegagen in remote control is this 1. Slay Station in FPS is 5. Okay, this one is 5, and Mixbox in remote control is 2. Remote control Mixbox is 2. So what is the sum? 1 plus 5 plus 2? 8. I hope we have an option of 8. Yeah. So we have an option of 8. So we have solved the set. I hope you understood this, and I hope that you basically grasp some learning from this one. If you did, like this video, comment if you didn't, and thank you.